So it sounds like aside from the food distribution, you've also been volunteering with a clinic.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, it's called in Delma 33 at Parc Antoine Izmiri is a medical clinic, but they also have rotating doctors coming doing medical clinics in other areas where there are none and people haven't been reached. So yesterday we went to Cité Soleil and spent about 3 hours there, maybe more, I don't know, seeing lots of babies, lots of people who had illnesses before, but more the follow-up treatment after being released from the hospital as well, and just kind of the normal epidemics of living in that area. Lots of babies. A newborn was born on the street the night before, and he was pretty dehydrated, so they treated him and talked to the parents. So I helped them package the medicine and played translator role for them as well.
Yeah.
But they were doctors who were familiar with Haiti, and Friday they'll go back to Cité Soleil, and apparently tomorrow 10 will be in this area in several different locations, and they do follow-up so they come back.
Gotcha.
So that it's consistent and people get like consistent care.
Thank you.